Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about scope of business finance. So before that, what is finance? You can understand that finance means is managing of money. Simply, you can say it's a management of resources. Whatever if you have resources that we can say as a finance, like investment, securities, etc. So, what is business finance? Simply, business finance means management of asset and money. So today, finance is crucial for any company. Its primary focus is to increase profit and minimize the financial risk. So business finance refers to money and credit employed in a business. It involves procurement and utilization of funds so that the business may be able to carry out their operations effectively and efficiently. So business finance includes all type of funds used in the business. So business finance is needed in all types of organization, large or small, or manufacturing or trading and any other types. So here I'm going to talk about um, what are the scope of finance. So scope of business finance. So while discussing this, scope of business finance is very wide. So while accounting is concerned with the routine type of work, business finance is concerned with the financial planning, policy formations and control. So according to Walker and William are of the opinion that the financial function has always been important in a business management. So that we can say that so financial planning and control. So any business, whether it is small or medium or large, so that finance must manage and make their financial analysis and planning. To make these plannings and management, the financial manager must have a knowledge about the present financial situation of the firm. On the basis of information, she regulate the plan and managing strategy for future financial situation of the firm within a different economic scenario. So financial budget is also realized in these financial plans. So financial budget serves as the basis of control over the financial plans. The firm on the basis of budget find out the deviation between the plan and the performance, try to correct them. So that this is one of the important scope we can say that you are going to plan for your next say that deciding capital structure. This is also one of the important scope we can say that deciding the capital structure. So that capital structure refers to the kinds and proportions of different securities for raising of funds. Maybe in a company, the company can raise their funds in the form of equity, debentures, preference shares, equity shares like that. So this capital here we are going to deciding that our capital structure, that is combination of these equity, debentures and preference shares. So after deciding about the quantum of funds required, it should be decided which type of security should be raised. It may be wise to the finance fixed asset through the long term debt. So that deciding their capital structure is also one of the important scope of business finance that we can say. And next, a selection of sources of finance. So that the selection of sources of finance that you are going to choose that is preparing your capital structure. and appropriate sources of finance is selected. So various sources from which finance may be raised. So it may be included share capital, debentures, financial institutions, commercial banks, loans, public deposit, etc. If finances are needed for short period, then the bank, public deposit and financial institution may be appropriate. On the other hand, if long term finances are required, then the share capital and debentures may be useful. If the concern does not want to down asset as securities, then the public deposit may be suitable sources. If management does not want to dilute ownership, then the debentures should be issued in preference to shares. And then next we say financial statement analysis. So that is another scope of business finance is to analyze the financial statements. However, it also analyzes the financial situation and problems that arises in promotions of business firm. The statement consists of financial aspect related to promotion of new business. Administrative difficulties arises at the time of expansion, necessary adjustments for the rehabilitations of the firms. And then next we say that working capital management. So this is also one of the important scope. We can say that financial decision making that related to current asset and short term asset is known as the working capital management. So short term survival is the one of the important for the long term success for this important factor in the business. Therefore, the current assets should be effectively managed so that the business won't suffer any inadequate or unnecessary funds locked up in the future. So maintaining a proper level of working capital is very important to the company for getting the profit. Even if suppose for example if you need 5 lakh rupees as a working capital, suppose if you have a 10 lakh rupees, that remaining 5 lakh will be idle, and if it is borrowed fund means we have to pay the interest, so that will reduce the profit. And in the other hand, you need a 5 lakh rupees, suppose if you have only 2 lakh rupees, so what happen, you cannot survive in the market, so both will be the problems to the company. So here you are going to choose that optimum capitals working capital for your business. Next we can say that the capital budgeting. So this is also one of the important scope of finance, that you are choosing, you are taking decision related to your investment in a fixed asset. So financial decision making related to a long term asset is known as capital budgeting, a long term investment decision. So this scope is related to selection of an asset proposal out of the many related to alternatives available to the firm. Maybe choosing going to the capital budgeting, and you maybe choose the right proposal for your business. So maybe you may have 5 methods: payback period, accounting rate of return, net present value, profitability index method, and IRR method, internal rate of return method. For going this method, and you can know that it will help that choosing the correct proposal to your business for implementation. So it analyzes the risk and uncertainty as the return from the investment proposal extend into the future. So all the returns are evaluated in relation to the risk. The next I can say that management of financing. So that managing financing is yet another important area of business finance. The management of finance is concerned with the mix of asset or structure of the asset of a firm. The firm should always pay special attention to its assets. The firm should properly mix the ratio of debt and equity capital while main investment. As the capital structure is the ratio of debt and equity capital. So now the capital structure consisting of the proper ratio of debt and equity is known as the optimum capital structure. Hence, the financial manager should make a decision regarding optimum capital structure and the ratio of funds to be raised and maximize the return of the shareholder. And this is on you can say that dividend management. So dividend is a portion of profit or some part of profit, and it is a portion available to the equity shareholders. So business finance is also analyze the policies regarding the dividend and depreciation and reserve. So every dividend decisions are made on the basis of financing decision of the firm. The firm should decide how much of the profit should be distributed among the shareholders as dividend and how much should be retained as earnings. So this decision depends upon the priority of the shareholders and the investment opportunity available to the firm. See here, the financial manager should develop a sound dividend policy. So these are the some aspect of scope of business finance. Though the business finance covers wide scope, then the above are limited on the important scope of the field. Thank you.